Now we have some breaking inputs coming in. Mother of the minor accused has been arrested from Pune. She will be produced before the Pune District Court today. She's being arrested in connection with blood sample manipulation case, which is being probed by the crime branch. Earlier, 2 doctors and 1 staffer of the Sassoon Hospital already, remember, were arrested and are in the police custody in this case. Father of the minor accused was also booked in the same case, who's in judicial custody. We have Tetri joining us with more details. Tetri, trouble mounts for the entire Agarwal family. As far as the mother is concerned, arrested now and to be produced before the court today. We're trying to connect with Tetri for more details as far as the mother's role is concerned. Remember, the allegation is that it was the mother's blood sample that was swapped with that of the minor accused sample, so that trace of alcohol is not detected in the first sample that was taken. The mother has now been arrested by the cops. She'll be produced before the court. As far as the role of the other members of Agarwal family is concerned, mother, father and grandfather of the minor accused now arrested, while the minor accused himself is in rehabilitation or observation home of the Juvenile Justice Board. As far as swapping of the blood sample is concerned and manipulation with the blood sample is concerned, 2 doctors and 1 staffer of Sassoon Hospital already have been placed under arrest. Tetri is back with us on the broadcast. Tetri, mother arrested, now to be produced in court?
Well, yes, the mother of the juvenile accused has also been arrested in this entire matter. Remember that the father, grandfather, 2 doctors, these are the people who have been arrested. One mortuary guy has also been arrested. But important over here is that the fact why mother is arrested. Mother is arrested because it is very much doubtful about her role in exchange of the blood sample. It is believed, and our sources from Pune police also tells that it was the mother whose blood was exchanged. Remember that the Dr. Tavre and Dr. Halnuri were present during the blood sampling. The original blood of the juvenile accused was taken, thrown into dustbin, and it is now very much doubtful that suspected that mother's blood was taken and then sent for the testing, so as to
right.
There should be no trace of blood, there should be no trace of alcohol in the blood. That is why mother's blood was taken. So now mother is arrested.
Yes, will be produced in the